it's Jessica from Crafty Homeschool Mom. Today we are going to learn the puff stitch. Now this stitch is popular in washcloths and scrubbies, and it's used in my Swiffer cover pattern that is available on my website, craftyhomeschoolmom.com. You can find that link to that pattern at the bottom of the video. So just to learn this puff stitch today, I've created a row of 15 half double crochets. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do 3 half double crochets. That'll get us a little ways away from the edge. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so to create the puff stitch, you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the next loop. Now I'm showing you using 2 loops. On the pattern for the Swiffer cover, you actually are only working in the back loop, but we're going to do it in both loops. So you insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. Now instead of pulling through any of those like you would if you were half double crocheting or double crocheting, you're going to wrap your yarn again, insert the hook, yarn over, and pull up another loop. So now you have 5 loops on your hook. You're going to do that a total of 4 times. So we've already done it twice. Let's do it 2 more times. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 loops on your hook. So you're going to yarn over and pull through all but the last loop. So you're going to pull it through 8 loops like this. Sometimes you have to give it a little wiggle. Okay, then you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. And you've completed a puff stitch. Let's do that again. So let's do 3 more half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to do a puff stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You want to keep these loops fairly loose, otherwise it can get really hard to pull through at the end. So yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we've done it twice. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 8 of the loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. Let's do 3 more half double crochets so you can see what they look like, what the puff stitches look like when you're done. 1, 2, and 3. And there you have your puff stitches that are great for scrubbies. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.